You did it. You graduated college and now you have a ton of life change going on. And on top of that, you're going to have to figure out your student loans. Ugh, your student loans. What are you going to do with your student loans? In today's video, we're going to talk about the 4 things you need to know about your student loans when you graduate college. Stay tuned. The first thing you're going to need to do is figure out what type of student loans you have. There are 2 types of student loans: federal loans and private loans. Federal loans are loans funded by the U.S. government. Federal loans are generally better because they have fixed interest rates and come with a really good set of borrower benefits. Private loans are those funded by independent companies like banks. The benefits that come with these are much less standard, and interest rates tend to be much higher. One of the ways that you can find out if you have federal student loans is by looking at the name of the loan. The other way is by checking the National Student Loan Data System, or the NSLDS, and logging in to see what you have. If your loans show up there, then they're federal loans. There is a blog post I wrote with about 5 or 6 ways to figure out what kind of loans you have, so you can check that out in the links below if you want more information. The second thing you need to do is figure out who owns your student loans. You're going to need to know who you have to pay. There are 2 ways you can do this. You can log in to that NSLDS that we talked about using your PIN. I'll link that up below. Then in the NSLDS, your loan servicer will be listed. If you're having trouble with that, you can always talk to your financial aid office at the college you just graduated from, and they can help you out too. The third thing you need to know is how much student loan debt you owe. It can be tough to look that number right in the eye and own it for what it is, but if you really want to take charge of your student loan debt and you want to feel good about the decisions you're making, you absolutely need to know this exact number. Again, the NSLDS system will show your total federal student loan amount, so you can get your federal loan total there. If you have private student loans, you will need to log in to your private loan servicer's website, and then you'll find the total amount listed there. You can also log into your federal loan servicer's website to find your federal loan amount as well. Your loan servicer is always going to have the most up-to-date amount of student loan debt. The 4th and final thing you need to know is what repayment plan your student loans are in. Once you've figured out how much you owe and who you're repaying your loans to, it's important to know how you plan to repay your loans. That's basically what your repayment plan is. The main pieces of information you want to know are how long you'll be repaying loans under this plan and how much that monthly payment is. There are a ton of federal student loan repayment plans, making it important you know which one you're in so you can decide if that's really the best plan for you. Next week, we're going to go through all the federal repayment plans and talk about the pros and cons of each and why you might want to choose one over the other. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please click that like button. And if you're a new grad who wants more, the whole month of May is dedicated to getting started on repaying your student loan debt. So hit that subscribe button and you won't miss a single video. There's a new one every Wednesday. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!